ABC Limited is an emerging IT company in Mysore. The company has always been conservative about automation of the processes and so has not installed any HRMS system. As a result, the employees joining the company must be onboarded manually. The onboarding process of ABC Limited involves a lot of paperwork and manual work. This causes an additional burden for HR to ensure coordination between the departments. Let's take a closer look at the employee onboarding process of ABC Limited. The work of the HR for employee onboarding at ABC Limited begins with preparing the welcome kits to be handed over to the candidates on the joining date. HR must arrange all the forms and documents and keep them ready. The documents include the documents like employee handbook, company policies, benefits guides, statutory forms, and a personalized welcome letter. HR also has to ensure that these documents are updated and in good condition. HR also must arrange for the logistics such as the conference room, stationery, etc. for getting the forms filled in and ensure that the employee is filling in each form correctly. After the new employee is given the welcome kit, the HR starts the activity of fulfilling the joining formalities. The HR must guide the employee to fill up the forms for enrolling or transferring the statutory funds such as Provident Fund, pension funds, ESI, gratuity, group mediclaim policy, group health insurance policy and group life insurance policy. HR must ensure that the forms are filled properly, since even a small mistake in them can cause non-compliance or legal hassles for the company. Thus, HR must pay close attention to each employee while getting the forms filled up and accepting the same. HR then has to process each form properly through the pre-decided stages and save it for the record purpose as per the requirements of the organization of the respective agency. After all the details are gathered, HR must send the details for background verification. The HR, in this case, must coordinate with the verification agencies and get a thorough background verification performed. After the verification is cleared, the HR must send the details of the employee to the admin team for creating the identity cards of the employees. The HR must also share the relevant details with the payroll team so that the employees can be absorbed in the employees list from the immediate next payroll cycle. Finally, HR must take the employee to the respective team and introduce them to the manager. All these activities require the HR department of ABC Limited to appoint a dedicated team that works on the employee onboarding. Let's now look at XYZ Limited from Bangalore. It is also an IT company of the same size as ABC Limited. However, XYZ has implemented GreytHR to support their HR department in employee onboarding. Let's take an overview of how they work on onboarding the new employees. The onboarding at XYZ starts with customizing onboarding workflow to align with company-specific requirements, including mandatory fields, checklists, and approval stages, and creating digital onboarding kits containing essential information like the employee handbook, company policies, benefits guides, and welcome messages. All these documents are readily available in the soft copy that the HR has to make accessible to the employee. This removes the need of collecting the documents, updating them if required, and storing them properly. On the day of joining, the new employee receives the onboarding link on email to start the onboarding process digitally. By clicking the link, the employee can fill out the personal, professional, and educational details, and they can also upload the necessary document electronically. GreytHR makes sure that the details are being filled in as per the requirements and the documents are being properly uploaded before they are submitted to HR. Post-submission, the HR can review and verify the details online and process them electronically in just a few clicks. The details and documents shared by the employees are updated under their respective profiles, automatically removing the need for HR working on them personally. The details of employees are also automatically shared with the departments like payroll and admin so that the payroll and identity cards can be processed. This removes the need for HR to share the details individually and ensures accuracy of the information. Additionally, GreytHR also helps employees to view and access their updated information through the ESS portal. Thus, GreytHR provides support at each stage of employee onboarding. Let's look at it in greater detail in the upcoming parts of this course.